We found a problem in the basement. Hey guys, so life updates. I should say, bought a house. Woo! So that's kind of why I've been a little MIA on socials this last couple weeks. I've been packing my apartment, and basically we got the keys last week, so every day after work we've been going to the house and cleaning things up, fixing things up, just doing all kinds of crazy stuff. It's super sunny right now. We've been doing all this stuff, and it's honestly just been so exhausting, and I really wish I would have vlogged some of the beginning stuff when we first got the house, but I was just so focused on getting it cleaned up before we move in, because we move in next Saturday. Today's Thursday, so we have a week and 2 days before we move in. So we've just kind of been hustling hardcore this last week and a half. But basically we got the entire upstairs cleaned, which is good. We cleaned everything. It was really messy up there, so we had to deep clean the entire thing, and the floors are pretty scratched up, so we refinished our floors last weekend, which was super fun. They turned out really nice. I really like how they look. We've been hanging up blinds. I still have 2 more blinds to hang up, but the other blinds were giving me a headache, so I just couldn't deal with them at the moment. But yeah, that's on the list of stuff to do. What else? Let's see. So tonight we're going to the house again, and we have some friends coming over because we're going to start working on the basement. It's very 1970s down there, so we're going to work to clean that up and repaint and get new carpeting in. We have people coming to measure the carpet this weekend, but we want to get the ceiling painted tonight, I think, and then we're going to maybe work on the walls this weekend. We'll see how much we can get done, because we still have to try to get some goo off the walls, and we have to spackle and prep everything before we can really paint, but I think we're going to try to at least do the ceiling tonight. But yeah, honestly, it's just been exhausting going to the house every night, and because I drive an hour from work to the house, so I leave work at 5, we get to the house at 6, gotta eat dinner and start working, and then we have another half an hour drive back to the apartment, which it's just exhausting. We've been spending every night at the house, and then just going back to the apartment at 10:30 at night. But it's definitely a project.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not this.
I just freaking stopped for gas, and the stupid gas pump I stopped to didn't even work. So I had to go pull to another one. Now I gotta go pick up some Subway. Okay, y'all, we have secured the bag. I just got myself a footlong, and I got Kevin a footlong too, because I'm probably not gonna eat the whole footlong. He probably will though, but at least then I can save it in my fridge for tomorrow, and I don't have to buy dinner then if we stop at the house again. So yeah, now I'm just heading to the house. We're gonna have some dinner, hopefully. I don't know when my friends are coming over, but hopefully we'll get some work done. It's already 6:30, so ugh, you're crooked. I'm sorry. Today has Friday vibes, and I'm not very happy that it's Thursday. I really just want it to be Friday, and I really just want it to be the weekend. Ooh, I'm going to a sewing expo this weekend. That'll be fun. Maybe I should vlog that a bit. I have to figure out what time we're going.
As they were a year ago.
Hey guys, so we just got done at the house. I'm covered in paint, if you can see it in my hair there. But yeah, there's people walking around. But yeah, we just got done at the house. We painted the ceiling. It's now 10 o'clock, so we have to drive like 20 minutes home. So yay. We basically got the ceiling painted and that's it, and we did some spackling, and then I think we're gonna take a break tomorrow and not go to the store, but we're gonna take a break tomorrow and not go to the house. We're gonna go on Saturday, because then we have the whole day to paint. So yeah, sorry I didn't really film much at the house. We were kind of just busy, so yeah. Good morning, guys. Today we are going to the Sewing Expo. Yay! It's like 10 a.m. and for some reason it's snowing outside because Ohio. Why not snow? I don't know how far away I am, but I really don't understand. My GPS took me down some weird way, like weird back roads way, when I could have just kept going down the highway, but whatever. We're here now. We're doing this. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I get to the convention, because I suck at places I haven't gone to a lot, and I've only been here once and I didn't drive, so yeah, I'm gonna have some trouble finding the parking garage, but we'll figure it out. So I made it to the Sewing Expo, and like this guy next to me parked like halfway in 2 spots, and this was like the only parking spot I could find in the parking garage. So hopefully they can get in their car and hopefully they don't hit me on the way out, but I'm not moving because they don't know how to park. It's fine. It's fine. My little car can fit here. Hopefully I can squeeze out of my door. But we're here. I need to go find my friends.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep.
Guys, it's now 1 o'clock about. We just left this Sewing Expo. It was cool. I did good. I didn't spend a bunch of money on fabric, even though I wanted to. All I ended up buying was this duffel bag pattern because I thought it'd be cool to make a duffel bag. So that's the only thing I bought. Kind of uneventful, but anyway, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get out of this parking garage, and I'm heading to our house because we're gonna do some painting today, so that should be fun. Yeah, it looks like it kind of stopped snowing outside, so that's good. Still cold though. I'm gonna turn my heat on in here. It's a little too loud. But yeah, so got a fun 30-minute drive back to our house to do some renovations today. Yeah, so we'll see you later.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
I finished painting my door. I think it needs a second coat though, but looking better.
The past is where
I think
it
it's like 6 or 8 or
stays.
something.
Way back a year ago.
We found a problem in the basement. Now there's a hole in the wall.
Good with what I had.
It is 8 o'clock. We're fixing the wall in the basement. Yeah. I'm so tired. I think we're gonna paint tomorrow though. But I did paint my door. It looks good. I think I need a second coat though. But yeah, we're gonna try to fix that basement wall. We tore it out. Now we have to put drywall up and paint it. So yeah, let's go take a look and see what's going on down there. The best thing about this house, I have fridge water. Back to work.
You keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
We figured it out. Now we gotta sand tomorrow.
A lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.